All right, let's look at the engine compartment and I'll explain to you what was done. This is a 1995 Rover SPI 1275 with a single injector, which is the best for reliability and performance. Brand new master cylinder with .4 brake fluid. It's got air conditioning. As you can see, the engine compartment is nice and clean. Let me show you underneath so you can see how immaculate this the restoration of this 1995 Rover Mini Cooper 1275 SPI automatic really is. I built this for my best client, which is my dad, who is 89 years young. He chose the colors of the interior, the material, and he always liked the Golf spec. So I'm just showing you the engine compartment, then of course we'll hear it run, and we'll go over the entire car.